The Provincial Board of Canvassers do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 6 municipalities for the candidate for Provincial Vice Governor. Attached here to informing part hereof is a statement of votes of the municipality garnered by the winning candidates and the other candidates for Office of Provincial Vice Governor. Thereafter such canvass, it appears that Angeles, Team PDP Laban, Partido Democrático Filipino, National Bayan garnered 42,112 votes for the Provincial Vice Governor, the same being the highest in the number of votes legally cast for such office.
Congratulations, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you our newly elected Vice Governor of the province of Marinduque.
For the certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for the Provincial Governor, we, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 6 municipalities for the candidates therein for Provincial Governor in the elections held on May 9, 2020. Attached here to informing part hereof is a statement of votes by municipality garnered by each candidate for the office of Provincial Governor. That after such canvass, it appears that Velasco Presley Team Laban, Partido Democrático Filipino, National Bayan garnered 63,115 votes for the office of Provincial Governor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present to you the winning candidate for our Provincial Governor, Velasco Presley, province of Marinduque. Congratulations po ako.
Formal na pong idineklara bilang gobernador ng lalawigan ng Marinduque.
Finally, for the certificate of canvass votes and proclamation of winning candidate for member, House of Representatives, we the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 6 municipalities for the candidates therein for member, House of Representatives in the elections held on May 9, 2022. Attached here to informing part hereof is a statement of votes by municipality garnered by each candidate for the office of the member, House of Representatives, that after such canvass, it appears that Velasco Lord Alan Partido Democrático Filipino, National Bayan garnered 100,794 votes for the office of the member, House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes cast for the said office.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you our winning candidate for member, House of Representatives, Representative Lord Alan Velasco. Congratulations. May I call on all the winning candidates for group picture?
Formal na pong prinoklama. formal na pong iprinoklama ang mga nanalong kandidato sa pagka congressman, gobernador, vice-gobernador at mga miyembro ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan dito sa Governor's Hall. Pinangungunahan po yan ni House Speaker Lord Alan Velasco at Governor Presbytero Velasco Jr.
Okay, ready?
Formal na pong idineklara o ipinilaga ang mga nanalong kandidato. So yan po mga kababayan ang mga nanalo sa kakatapos lamang na election 2022. Pinangunahan yan, ang House Speaker si Dindin Mercado, Bukal Dindin Mercado, Bukal Jojo Lema, Governor Presbytero Velasco. Kasi yung ano mo, flag mic, ano mo? May hawakan ka? Hawakan? Hawakan? May hawakan ka? Si speaker tayo, may ako sa speaker. Halipay ako hawakan. Hawakan tayo, interview ka sa speaker din. Akin na. Pay, ikaw maghawak dali. Akin na. Hawaki ka. Kasi ko.
Magbibigay po ng fresh mandate na mamahala po ulit sa ating magandang lalawigan ng Marinduque. I would like to say that this triumph, this victory is not mine alone. This is actually the victory of the Marinduqueños. And we are one in our quest to make our beautiful province a very progressive province. Nakakatuwa po na nakakita po tayo ng malaking mandato at ito po ay isang sign na talaga pong magtutulong-tulong po tayong lahat para po tayo ay umunlad. Kailangan po talaga magtulong dahil marami pa po tayong haharapin na mga balakid at mga problema. Pero kung tayo po ay magkakasama, tayo po ay makakahanap ng mga kasagutan sa lahat ng mga problema na ito at tayo po ay makakapagsagawa ng mga hakbang at mga proyekto at programa na ikauunlad po ng ating magandang lalawigan ng Marinduque. Natutuwa po ako na ang aming partido, PDP Laban, ay ng mga elected positions at isang maganda po ito na development dahil